Thanks for joining us. We are at Mobile World Congress 2024 in Barcelona, and I'm delighted to be talking to Grant Lumley, who is Business Lead, HPE Services for Advisory and Professional Services Network Consulting. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
So why would a customer be interested in HPE Services to build their telco cloud?
Yeah, well, thank you for the good question. The fundamentals of building telco cloud are quite complex. We're transitioning from a world where we're moving from an appliance environment to an open systems, Intel-based server architecture. And that is the core business of HPE. So we took a very strong leadership position in the telco market by demonstrating to customers we understood the migration that they would need to go through. And we built a series of services that would address this, which you can see on the screen. And we focused on the core networks. And what we realized is that customers don't have a 100% pure HPE environment. So what we do is that the services part of HPE, we deliver an end-to-end infrastructure systems integration service that combines the strengths of the primary products from HPE, the servers, the storage, and the networking. And then where we do not have any specific product fit, we integrate third-party components to deliver that complete solution for the customer. So that's the real value of HPE Services, that ability to understand the telco environment, because we started this technology back in 2013 when it first started to come to marketplace. We demonstrated to our customers our ability to take the architectures that were needed to be developed and create the services that would enable them to go live with these types of solutions in a telco carrier-grade environment. And for them, that was a huge leap of faith. So they needed a company which had the credibility of HPE, the experience of HPE, the technology of HPE, wrapped around with our professional services to help them on that journey. That's where we fit in.
So what experience does HPE have in delivering network automation for telco customers?
Well, this is an emerging area of the marketplace. And what we've noticed is that customers are struggling in key areas to really address some of the issues around launching new products more quickly to marketplace. The telco industry as a whole wants to try and drive new revenue streams because the costs are increasing and the revenue streams are relatively flat. So if they can reduce the operational overhead of delivering these services, then that's a huge improvement for them. So what we've done is we've leveraged an architecture from an infrastructure perspective that enables customers to automate various key elements of their network. And we use industry standard APIs to use the network configuration managers, not just from HPE technology, but from a host of different networking vendors. So from the customer's perspective, if their primary vendor for the servers and the storage is HPE, which typically happens in this telco market, they may not necessarily have an HPE network. We can assist them because they can come to HPE that can do the end-to-end solutions or systems integration. And there is a particular client in Europe where we've done this recently, and for them it was extremely important because they were transitioning from a 4G network environment to a 5G network, and they made the decision that they wanted to do so leveraging automation processes and technologies. And they came to HPE because we have that experience in the infrastructure generally and specifically for the network. The key thing that was interesting about this customer, they weren't using HPE networking products, they were using a third party. And we have those skills. We cover all aspects of network communications. And that's part of the value that we bring to our customers.
So what do you see as the evolution of security for telco customers in the data center network?
It's a key area. In fact, one of the themes that you'll notice around this event and around all the people that you're talking to is about artificial intelligence, AI. And what we're seeing is an evolutionary movement that's being driven by AI and some of the other technologies supporting it, to go from a current model, which is this third generation data center, into a more of a fourth generation automation-centric, AI-driven data center environment. And from a networking perspective, what we're doing is we're helping customers implement the zero trust using micro-segmentation. A key component of that is if you look at the networking technology that can be deployed in the data centers today, HPE has the Aruba CX10K switch, and that incorporates the AMD Pensando Smart NIC. And with that Smart NIC, you're able to micro-segment the network. You can drive telemetry and analyze the telemetry inside that network, which means you get access to east to west traffic data which previously was not possible, not visible. So what that enables you is to then apply the AI or machine learning across the data lake that you've developed to analyze data in real time that allows you to automatically make changes in response to errors that are appearing on the network. So in the third generation, you can visualize that happening, but a manual intervention was required. In the fourth generation, that will happen automatically. And that's what HPE with Aruba technology and our HPE services is driving the message into the marketplace. And it's resonating very strongly in the market at the moment.
Okay, well, Grant, a very compelling case indeed. Thank you very much.
No, thank you very much.
Thank you.